In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Cash App to your Fidelity account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Fidelity app like you normally would. And in addition to this, you will need to make sure that you have the Cash App card as well. So you're going to need the Cash App debit card in order for this to work. Because the Cash App debit card is going to give you an account number and a routing number, which is information that you're going to need in order to actually do this. Alright, so once you have the Cash App debit card, you're good to go. So you want to open up Fidelity, go to the top right, and press on your profile picture. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until we see this option that says banks and cards and press on linked accounts and banks. All right, then once you're over here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and then press on this add button on the bottom. All right, then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and you need to make sure to select on ETF, and that will allow you to send money between your linked bank accounts and to someone else. And then where it says who do you want to send money to, please select on myself, then press on continue. Then afterwards, you need to select on continue one more time. All right, then you just want to confirm again, make sure that ETF is selected. All right, then you're going to see this option and you want to press on enter my bank information on my own. Then press on continue and then select on link a new bank. And then you want to determine whether you're the owner or not. So I am the owner. Then you want to scroll down and select on whether it's a checking or brokerage, savings or business. So select on your Cash App account. It's most likely going to be checking. And then over here, you want to put in your routing number, your account number, and then you want to re-enter your account number one more time. Once you're done with that, you need to press on agree on continue, and that is going to connect your Cash App account over to Fidelity. But as I mentioned previously, it's really important that you have the Cash App debit card so that you actually have a routing number and an account number on Cash App in order for this to work. But then afterwards, you should be good to go, and now you can make investments to Fidelity using funds from your Cash App account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.